JLP in mourning after its Aenon Town Division councillor dies. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The governing Jamaica Labour Party JLP has been rocked by the death of a councillor, Marjorie McLeod McFarlane, who represented the Aenon Town Division in the Northern Clarendon constituency. McLeod McFarlane died at approximately 1 p.m. yesterday. Her death is sending shockwave throughout the governing party's political machinery in the constituency which she represented in the House of Representatives. Preliminary information is that foul play is not suspected and McLeod died of natural causes, but her cause of death was not disclosed up to the publication of this report. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Right Honourable Mr. Andrew Holness, in a statement on social media pages on Sunday evening, said that the JLP is mourning McLeod McFarlane passing. Our hearts are broken even as we reflect with gratitude on her dedicated service, both to the party and her constituency, Mr. Holness wrote. I send heartfelt condolences to her loved ones, friends and families. McLeod McFarlane's shocking win in the local government election, with her securing 1,403 votes, which is 51.69%, in comparison to the People's National Party, which received 1,311 votes, which is approximately 48.31%, mark a milestone for the JLP in the Aenon Town Division. Her victory was the first time the JLP representative won that division. The JLP majority in the municipal corporation has now been reduced to 11 to 10 margin following McLeod's passing. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.